Good morning, students. In last two videos we discussed about latitudes, longitudes, rotation, revolution and different planets. Today I am going to explain about Uttarayan, Dakshinayan, leap year and the two eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Okay, now Uttarayan, when we hear the word Uttarayan, automatically in our mind the picture comes about kites, flying kites, na? So my dear student, here I would like to say, my dear student, the sun falls on earth, okay, after 22nd December, the position is changed, okay, the position is changed, my dear student. On 14 January, on 14 January, the sun enters in Makar Rashi. The sun enters in Makar Rashi. That is why it is called Makar Sankranti. That is why it is called Makar Sankranti. Okay, while till 20 till 20, from 22nd December till 22nd June. Okay, and after 22nd June, the position of the sun changes. It moves from Tropic of Cancer towards south of equator. That is called Dakshiniyan. Okay, what is so Uttarayan and Dakshinayan? Okay, these are the two words. My dear student, here I would like to say, okay, this is the earth, okay, this is the sun, okay, my dear student, where the sun rays fall straight, where the sun rays fall straight, they are hot, because of that heat, because of the heat of the rays, that area receive maximum heat, and the area which receive maximum heat, that is called summer. Okay, when the sun rays fall, this is equator. Okay, when the position is changed and here the sun rays fall straight, so that is why here they have summer and here they have winter. Okay, so my dear student, because of the revolution we have different seasons. Okay, and my dear student, if sorry when the sun rays fall straight, when the sun rays fall straight, that area have maximum heat and they have summer season, while other hemisphere, they have winter. After some time, okay, after some time the position of the sun is changed, it comes down, so here they have summer and they have here winter. Here I would like to say, when we celebrate Christmas, okay, when we celebrate Christmas in northern hemisphere, it is in winter, but the people of Australia, they celebrate Christmas in summer. Why, I will tell you. When the sun rays fall on north hemisphere, okay, when sun rays fall straight on northern hemisphere, they have summer, and here in south they have slanting rays. That's why they have winter. Got it? Once again I repeat. When the rays of the sun fall straight over northern hemisphere, they have summer, and at that time the southern hemisphere, they are receiving slanting rays. That's why they have winter. After 6 months, the position is changed, and the south hemisphere, they receive straight rays of the sun, so they have summer, and in a north they have winter. So we can say there are two main seasons. Here we are learning there are three main seasons. Okay, or we can say there are only two main seasons, summer and winter. Summer means when the area they get, they receive maximum heat and the sun rays fall straight, they have summer. Same time other area they are receiving slanting rays, that's why they have winter. Got it? So here when there is summer in northern hemisphere, when there is summer in northern hemisphere, same time with when there is a summer in northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere they have winter season. Okay, two different seasons are there. When here it is summer, they have winter, and when southern hemisphere they get summer. The sun rays fall straight over southern hemisphere. They have summer. At that time we have in northern hemisphere we have winter. Got it? So remember we have only two seasons, summer and winter. Got it? My dear student, we know the earth takes 365 days to complete one circle around the sun. The earth takes 365 days, 365 days to complete one full circle, to complete one full circle. But my dear student, it is not 365 days, it is 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. But it creates a little confusion when we count the year. That is why every year we do not count 6 hours, we consider only 365. So this is the first year, second year, 365 days and 6 hours, so it becomes 12 hours. Again third year, 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, and fourth year, that is called 365 days and 6 hours. Again this is called 12 hours. So this 12 and this 12 becomes one day, 24 hours, that is called one day, and that one day is added here at the fourth year. So 6 hours, again 6 hours, 12 hours, 18 hours, and when it becomes on fourth year, when it becomes 24 hours, it means one day. That is why we add one more day on 29th February. Okay, so we have leap year after 4 years. Why there is leap year? So this is the calculation. Okay, because we are not counting 6 hours. 6 hours are there, we are not counting, but these 6 hours we are keeping in pending. When it becomes 24 after 4 years, this 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours and 6 hours, and when it becomes totally fully one day, that time we count one more day, and that is added, and that is why on 29th February na, we are considering as a leap day. Okay, leap year and leap day. Got it? So on that day we are adding one more day, and at that time we have 360 days. Got it? So here we have not 365, we have 360 days. Okay, 365, 365, 365, and fourth year we are using 366 days. Got it? So like that we are calculating. Got it? How we have leap day, leap year. Got it? One more thing, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. My dear student, what is called solar eclipse? Solar eclipse means Surya Grahan. Okay, might take the example. This is the sun, this is the sun, and my dear student, okay, this is the earth, this is the earth. When the position of the moon, okay, position of the moon comes, okay, in a solar eclipse, what happens? the moon comes in a center of sun and earth. Okay, and that is why what happened, the earth, they are not, the light of the sun, it is obstructed by the moon, and that is why we are getting little dark. Okay, so during the solar eclipse, solar eclipse, you will see, okay, what happened, it looks like a evening time, so why? Because the rays of the sun, they are obstacled by moon. Okay, and they are not receiving, earth is not receiving. So during the solar eclipse, moon comes in the center of sun and earth. Okay, that is called solar eclipse. While in a lunar means a chandragrahan. Lunar means chandragrahan. Okay, the position of the sun remains as it is only. The position of the sun remains as it is only. Okay, but here we have changed. Okay, earth comes in a center, and at last moon. Okay, when this position comes, that is called lunar eclipse. We know the moon takes round around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. The earth moves around the sun. So many times earth, moon and sun, they come in one line. Earth moon and earth moon and sun, many times they come in one line. Okay, sometimes it happens that we have solar eclipse, but other countries of the world, they do not have. Okay, my dear student, so it also happens recently only, in month of May, you have seen. Okay, it was the solar eclipse. Okay, it occurs again and again. So these are the true eclipse: lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. Got it? Now what is the position? Here I have explained. Okay, in a solar eclipse, moon comes in center between sun and earth, while in lunar eclipse, okay, earth comes in a center between sun and moon. Got it? When I explain the question answer, at that time again I am going to explain everything in detail. Thank you.